Thanks for stopping by today or tonight, whenever you're watching us. Go put this in the beginning. If you can, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Ring that notification bell. And share with your friends. Now on with the show. YouTube! How's it going? Rob, Gene Ranch Homestead. It's a cold morning when it's supposed to be 60. It's starting to rain. It's not supposed to rain, but it's overcast. Part of living near the Great Lakes. No snow, though. Maybe we'll hit 60. But we got some things going on today. Melody is headed out to Ohio. She's picking up a Boer buck. He's 1 year old. He will probably be moving on. It's just something that we picked up, and we might move forward, or we might move something else off and keep him here. We're going to judge it more once we get him in here. He'll be going back into isolation here with the sheep. He'll be penned separately from the sheep, but he will be back here. We got to get the chickens out here, or at least get the chicken feed up, because you can't have a goat eat chicken feed. Because if they do, they will gorge themselves and bloat themselves, and pretty much you'll be in trouble. Trust me, I've learned from experience. We also have to go over to the neighbor's farm, their dairy. I think that's about it today. If anything else comes up, I'll add it in. Okay. They're trying to be sneaky. They forget that I'm hiding right here. But that's the renegades. Let's see what they're up to. They're looking for grass on an area they really shouldn't. This is the yard, pretty much. There's not a lot of good grass. They could go out into the pasture and find a little bit better. They're going to go in there and they're going to eat my darn strawberries is what they're going to do. They're trying my nerves, really. But, it's only the females that do this, and if these females get a little bit older and they're still breaking out, they will be on a truck out of here. Now there's the male. He does not run with them. He actually stays in here because he's mama's boy, and he eats hay out of the feeder. Note to self, I still need to fix that feeder. I need to do that today. You see, they always think that something's here. Not pretty at all, but it'll keep them from hanging themselves in there. That's where Roadmap got caught in there, and I should have had another bar going right down the center or had that filled in, but I'll get a piece of wood later on and just completely fill that in, so not that little section, because what happens is those sheep will end up starting chewing on that plywood, and they'll eat their way through and reopen it up. So I'll get I need to go get a sheet of plywood just for little projects and fill that in. Maybe something else to do today. All right, well, Melody got back. She's got the buck. He's on lead. She says that he walks on a lead, so. There he is, but he's a year old. He's a Boer. He looks pretty good. All right. More on him later. So I'll go finish this video up. He's doing pretty good. Mr. Wiggle's doing good. We gave him Ranger. Him and Ranger are hanging out. They're back here. Of course, the chickens are coming in here after I kicked them out. But him and Ranger are getting along, which is kind of odd because, I mean, this guy's a pretty good sized boar. So, hold on. What do you got to say? Nothing.